hotel living laundry room tour. Let's go. In order to get in, of course, you have to have your room card and welcome into this spacious laundry room. Now, I just needed to wash the sheets for our bed. Unfortunately, this was not a good day because machines was down and occupied. Because why would he ask me what he clearly see me doing? So in this laundry room, they have plenty of trash for you to put into your body, sodas, chips, chocolate, and half the time, nothing in here is working. But I'm grateful, very grateful. So it's time to renew, my payment for being in this hotel. I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been doing. I just been overdrafting my account. So like, I would do it for a week. Because if I don't do it for a week, it's gonna cost me almost $200 for a night. So I would do it for a week, making it so I would overdraft my account for like $680 or something like that. So I do that, and then I do my little flex thing, my little Amazon flex. So every day I'm putting that money right back. And by the time the week is over, way before the week is over, it is down. It's back into positive, and I just repeat the cycle. So that's what I've been doing. But now I forgot I had my card locked. I forgot I had my card locked, and then I thought that I had extended for us to stay there until the 1st, but I extended for us to stay there until the 31st. So I had to pay an extra $30. So yeah, I messed up and forgot. It's so much going on for me to stay on top of things, but I try my best and I do my hardest. Okay, so right now I'm on the way to the bank so I can take the money out. I can pull the money out because it already declined the transaction. Because my card is not overdrafting, I ended up having to pay for one night. I wanted to take you through that process, but I ended up getting distracted. I'll have to do this day to day until I'm able to overdraft again.